Yo, what is up, my Apple Watch Bro family? So I'm currently on a break from school. I'm on a 4-day break, so I'm in my summer house. I'm really enjoying my time here. I wasn't really going to upload. I was going to upload on Wednesday. So anyway, supposedly AirPower got leaked. There's my dog. AirPower got leaked, and everybody was posting like AirPower, the packaging got leaked and stuff. It's fake, and a lot of people are thinking that it's true. I mean, even Team Apple News, which is the place where I trust my Apple News and stuff, they even uploaded. Which, by the way, if you guys don't follow Team Apple News, definitely check them out. They upload the latest Apple news, Apple rumors, Apple leaks, anything surrounding the world of Apple. But as soon as it happens, they upload it. So make sure you guys go follow them. But anyways, the photo is fake. I mean, it's really cool. Somebody took it at an airport, but it's fake. So first of all, where's this photo from? Well, a guy called Peter Allen uploaded a photo on Twitter that said, Apple AirPower available in the Vienna airport arrival hall. They, however, charged $200. And then he attached this photo, and then of course, if we zoom in, this right here is supposedly AirPower. Now, first of all, the font just seems kind of off. And then if we actually zoom in on the packaging, it doesn't look too much like Apple. And then if we actually see how they wrap the actual packaging, it just feels man-made. And then what happened was Venya Geskin, which is a guy that just puts out the latest leaks and stuff, he also tweeted, Apple AirPort wireless charging spotted in the Vienna airport. And this guy has a lot of followers, so then he told the whole community about it, so everybody thought it was true. But then somebody tweeted this right here. I'll probably be showing you an image right now. 3-in-1 Qi wireless charging charger pad for iPhone 10, iPhone 8, Watch 2, 3, AirPower. It's not AirPower, it's just the community hyped it up. It's all our fault because we all hyped it up, but no, it's fake. So Apple, where is AirPower? We are all waiting for it. I know there's just some federal legal stuff that have to be figured out. I'm just really excited, and I mean, we've been waiting for AirPower for over a year now, and I'm just waiting here. I mean, AirPower will be the future of charging. Not enough people are giving enough credit to AirPower. I mean, if you think about it, it's the only charger that you will have to bring. That's amazing. So yeah, anyways, this is Apple. She's really enjoying this toy. Apple, are you excited for AirPower? Run, 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 run. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your comments down below of AirPower. Are you guys excited for it? Did you guys think this is fake? Also, let me know your opinion on this. Do you think it's fake? Do you think it's real? It's fake, trust me. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.